Foreground mind gives action because current free will is executed. But the background is from the heart. So therefore, when you're doing japa, your conscious mind is active, and actually something from the heart also is being offered. This is called bhavana. This is called sad bhavana japa. Sad means what? These are all eternal bhavanas based on eternal thoughts. Eternal thoughts are sourced from Guru, Sadhu and Shastra. The Krishna is on my tongue. It's from the Guru, Sadhu and Shastra. Krishna is non-different from his name, from Guru, Sadhu and Shastra. Krishna is Surya of Satchidananda, from Guru, Sadhu and Shastra. You contemplate on it and you culture deep feelings for these thoughts. And that's how they become bhavana. It is not very difficult. Second nature. All 16 bhavanas will become second nature because every day you're doing. And then you read that. I gave the example that when two couples get married, they hardly know each other. Day by day, day by day, day by day, what happens? The relationship builds. Right? And the relationship becomes natural, spontaneous. In the same way, you culture these bhavanas. It takes time. And over the time, you will see it becomes second nature. You take your mala, you feel next 2 hours I am in relationship with God. Bead after bead after bead, 2 hours pass by, and you will feel hardly 15 minutes, 10 minutes. Really? Look at your watch, 2 hours have passed. So, two things show us that we are not doing japa wrongly. One, it should not tire you. Another, you should not look at your watch when it will finish. These two symptoms you watch, then you are advancing in your soulful japa. I like to chant Hare, I like to chant Krishna, I like to chant Rama. Three names. I'm mad after these three names. They are the greatest sound in existence. Krishna, Rama, Hare, greatest sound in existence. So, how can I not delightfully chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare? Now, Akhlada Mala is what? It is the greatest sound, must be the sweetest sound, the most potent sound. Tam Nam Kari Bauda Nicha Sarva Shakti. Potency means what? Potency means everything, all kinds of potency, all knowledge potency. That means it's like freedom from all ignorance, knowledge potency. It has got Ananda potency, love, infinite love. That is a kind of medicine that is now you are drinking. So this omnipotent sound is going into your mind. As I explained earlier, it goes into your chitta. Chitta is the stomach of the subtle body. You send food into the stomach, it distributes all over the body, no? Similarly, this nama goes into your chitta, subconscious mind. It will create revolution there. It will throw away all the ghosts. One by one, ghosts will start running away. You will experience in your conscious mind, they are all running away. As you joyfully drink, get drunk. I given you the quote of Prabhupada where he says, drink, get like a drunkard gets drunk. You should drink the holy name. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. 3 sounds you focus. There are 3 sounds I like to chant, I like to hear. I like the sound of Hare. I like the sound of Krishna. I like the sound of Rama. I like the sound. They are the absolute sounds. Today I do not know, I cannot taste, I have no qualification to taste, but all the Shastra says that 3 powerful sounds. I like to hear them, I like to hear them. Most habit forming rasa, that one day if you don't chant, you can't help, you have to chant, because it is feeling of accumulating one after the other the pleasure givings. One bead is over, second bead is over, third beading is over, fourth bead, one mala is over, second mala, third mala. You feel build up, you feel Kriya Karya Siddhi. Siddhi means success. You are feeling spiritual accomplishment of building up. I gave even one Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, given, offered concurrently, is an eternal treasure into my account, in my relationship with my Lord.